To hang the door, I'm going to take a 2x4, put it here, which will give me about 3/8 of an inch reveal along the bottom of the door. And it's all about the details. So now, place the door. I want it to go. And I'll mark. The hinges have already been installed on right here and here and there, about 2 inches from the top and 2 inches from the bottom. So I'm going to mark what I want. Put the screws. This bit is the size of the shank of the screw, which doesn't include the threads. I'm going to drill the top ones. You can't see that. And then now I'm going to change out the drill bit to a Phillips driver, which will fit the screws for the hinges. And put the door over back on top of the 2x4. The 2x4 makes your life a lot easier. I was trying to hold that door in position. It was really hard to do. So get the screw started. Come on. More light. That's not gonna work. Let's see here. Oh. Murphy's Law. It's always in play. What can go wrong will go wrong. That started. If that's in there enough. I'm going to have to pull the bit out as far as I can. So it's hidden on the door. Nah, I just go the wrong way on these things. Actually, I'm going to have to get a screwdriver. That's skipping because I can't get enough leverage. So you get the general idea. I'm going to put the other 3 screws in. The screws in and a working door. And this door was made out of tongue and grooved. You can see the tongue and the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boards. And then these boards are put on as braces. 2 screws in each of the 5 boards. So And now the hinges actually, because they're self-closing, they came with little tiny bumpers. So I'm going to peel off the back, exposing the sticky, and put it right up on the corner, push it on there really well. And I'll put another one at the bottom. And now I'll install the doorknob. I have this nice chrome one. I need to put in a bit that's just a little bit larger than the diameter of the bolt, which is this one. Put it in the drill. Check and see. Put it right there. I want to make sure that there's nothing in the back here that's going to hit the head of the bolt. And right there, everything clears and it'll be inside the opening here. So now I want to try and make sure my drill is perpendicular this way and up and down. Oops. And this drill is, I'm not impressed. You can't really get it tight enough to chuck the whole drill bits. So I have to reverse it. Get the drill bit out, which to me is not cool. Now, take the bolt from the inside. And that hole should have been a little bit bigger, but it's going. Slowly, I can't push it through. I need to thread it. I can easily turn it by hand. It's tight now. I'm going to put the knob on and be careful not to cross thread it. It's just all about, try and line it up as well as you can, and then it's feel. If there's any resistance, you want to back off and unthread it because it's real easy to thread. And everything there is tight, and boom, done. Door's on, looks great.